Hello everyone. Welcome back to Artificial Professor. In today's video, we'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to create a playlist on Spotify. So let's dive right in. First things first, open the Spotify app on your device and tap on the library in the bottom right corner. After opening the library, you should see the option, Playlist, in the upper left corner. Tap on it to create a playlist. It will then ask you to name your playlist, and you can type any name you prefer for your playlist. Now hit the Create button and that's it. You can now add music to this playlist by tapping on the Add to this playlist button, and a drop-down menu will appear with all the music on Spotify. You can also search for any song you would like to add to this playlist. Tap on the plus button right next to the song that you want to add to your playlist. As you can see, the music is added to the playlist successfully. That's it for today's tutorial, and if you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.